This is the first in my video series which will investigate how microwave ovens work. We will see how various objects would react to being cooked by microwave. The microwave frequency is 2.45 GHz, and the electricity power is 1200 watts. Let's start having fun. Strands of copper wire has been put into the oven. The diameter of the wire is around 0.1 millimeter. When the microwave is powered on, we get sparks coming from the wires. We can see that some of the copper wire has been burnt. Now we've got two strands of copper wire pulled across a polarizer. One is parallel to the metal rods, while the other is perpendicular. Note that there is a few millimeter gap between the rods and the parallel wire. First, we'll see what will happen if the polarizer is put on the left side of the oven. The microwave enters the cooking chamber from the right side through a waveguide. Note that the rotating glass plate has been removed so the polarizer can stand firmly. Let's turn the power on. Nothing interesting happens. Now let's put back the rotating glass plate into the microwave, and the polarizer on top of it. When the power is turned on, we get some spark. Let's check the wires. Both of them have been burnt. The burning effect is similar to what happens to the wire inside a glass fuse when it's blown out.